Want to know how to add SEO rankings or keywords to your website in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress admin and make sure you are under the dashboard. Now, once you're there, in order to add keywords or SEO tag guides, you need to add a simple plugin known as Yoast SEO. So if you don't have it, you can just simply head towards Add Plugins under Plugin right here, and then just simply search up for Yoast SEO. So I'll just search it for you first up. Now, once you've found Yoast SEO, you can just simply install it and activate it. So for me, it's already activated. And once everything is done, here you can just simply hit towards pages right here. So once you're under pages, you will just simply create a new page or just select an existing page. Now once you've done that, you can just simply type in or fill in your contents in the editor page. So once you're under the editor page, on the left side here, you should be seeing page right here. And on the top right here, you can also see the Yoast SEO. So you can just simply select it as well, or just scroll down until you see Yoast SEO. You can select it again. Now once you've selected Yoast SEO, here you can just simply see improve your post with Yoast SEO. So simply select it. Now once you've run that, here you can see your focus key phrase. Now you can just simply select focus key phrase and then type in anything that you like. And the SEO analysis is given here. So all of this should be turned off green for betterness. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.